Wait, what did we do? What did we just do?
I don't really know.
Okay, look confused.
It's like you know what I want. We just bought a camper.
Wait, what is it for? What are we doing? So,
We're starting a business.
we're gonna have a food truck. Yay! It's not really a food truck, but it's
A soda shack.
yeah, like 50s style diner soda shack. We're so excited.
Do you smell the rain? Because I don't know if I smelled rain. Oh my gosh, didn't it rain the next day after?
It did rain the next day. It's a sign. It's totally a sign.
We have art in our spirit.
Yeah, which is so true. So it was like totally meant to be.
It kind of was.
Yeah,
This
like
is actually because this.
so we got.
This is my favorite color. Isn't this your favorite?
Yeah. So like we were like seriously talking about the colors we wanted for our food truck, and we were like, how about like white and teal? And then we found this guy.
And it showed up in our lives.
Yes, it just like showed up, and these things go super fast. And it was like late one night on Sunday, and we had been talking about a food truck, and I refreshed my Craigslist search, and this popped up, and it had just been listed, like, well, it was like 4 hours ago, so I totally thought we weren't gonna get it, and then I emailed them right away, and turns out we were the first ones. Yay!
And now we're in love.
And look, like, this is so freaking cute.
Look at its prettiness.
So we paid $2,500. So those that are looking, you can find something in that price range. I mean, obviously we're gonna have to like fix it up and get it to code. But since we're just doing drinks and sugar cookies, we're not gonna have to do a lot in food truck land, I guess, to make it to code. It's so cute. And obviously we're gonna take these little decals off, even though Clarita loves them.
I think they're so cute. I love them.
So here's the inside. There's a door. So we're looking at windows for our concession stand. Oh. Vinyl. What about this one? This one's $48? What is that? I feel like then it's like super cheap. Like cheap material. Oh, it's not glass. That's only $48.
Right? I wish I could see one without the plastic on it.
Yeah, it's not glass. Is that weird? I feel like someone could break it. Really? I mean, you can break glass, I guess. Excuse me, ma'am. I got your order.
Does it have extra cherries?
Yeah, it does. Extra, right?
That's-
Five extra cherries.
Perfect. It's like you know what I want.
Ma'am, I'd like a
Yes, how can I help you?
I'd like a cherry vanilla Coke, please, with extra cherries.
I think I can do that. Hold on. I can totally do that.
Thanks. Ooh, we should get an awning.
I thought so, sorry. I think so too.
How much are awnings?
Cute. It's been severe weather tested.
Perfect.
It's also easy to assemble and install.
Nice.
For Stacy and Clarita.
Because you know we need that. What do you guys think? Should we have an
this little
awning?
retro.
Oh, that one's cute.
That is so cute.
But it has to match our colors. Boring.
Yeah. That I'm not in love.
I could probably make one.
That would be fun.
That one's not bad.
Yeah,
Like
it's alright.
a lighter color maybe, or well, I just want something like more 50s diner-ish. Don't you think?
Yeah. Let's go find out our meat.
Okay, look confused. Where's the FRP?
Help. Help.
Crickets.
We were two girls standing in the middle of the hardware store and no one is coming to help. Wait, hold on.
There's someone coming.
Someone's coming. I looked confused enough. Okay. Just checking prices.
We're working on a food truck.
Oh, okay.
We're giving the information to somebody else. We just want to know cost.
Out west where I want.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
you. Why did you say that?
Because I don't want to ask a bunch of questions because we don't know any answers.
Yes, we do. We know lots of answers. I've been watching YouTube videos for 2 weeks.
We found the FERP. FRP.
This is what we're gonna use on the walls.
Easy
Just
to
like this.
clean.
Yeah. Apparently this is what
Water
Wendy's uses. And then what? Oh, these are dividers. So whatever that means.
Kind of like this one. When you put two together, you cover the seam with it.
Oh, so we have to get that for every... Do we have to get that for every one that we use?
Yes, because it needs to be covered. We'll have to do some math.
Yeah.
Yay, math. I love math.
Okay. So then, this is the inside.
Ow.
Isn't this so cute? So, I mean, we're probably going to be gutting out most of this.
Yeah.
But it's like the original little kitchen with an ice box. So cute. And then a mirror. Woo, yay, we'll take that off. And a little bed that's obviously gonna go, but like the guy that had it before, he was an artist, and so he did most of his framing of his artwork on the table, and then he would sleep up there during his vendor events. So we're going to be taking most of this off. And what are we using to put the FRP? We just watched a YouTube video about it. And they said like FRP like how many times?
1,000. Fiberglass reinforced plastic.
Right.
Now it's a thing.
Right?
Hashtag it.
So yeah, it's already starting to get dark. So we don't have electricity in it yet, but it definitely has like...
Capability.
Yeah, so this is like a little storage thing. And then I found out, so there is a sink here. So we were worried about water, but looks like, yeah, there's the pipe. And then I followed it outside and yay, we have water and a plug-in. So we don't have to worry too much about that. We don't know anything about.
Only dying getting out so far.
Right. Yeah, it's on a little bit of a slant. So we're worried that it's gonna like tip over just because it's so light. I mean, this is super tiny. It's 10, well, it's like not even 10 feet.
9.8 inches.
Yeah.
Or feet. 9 feet 8 inches.
9 feet 8 inches.
And 5 foot. No, it's 6 feet.
Is it 6?
Yeah, because it's 5.1 to the shed. Or
No,
to
it's. I mean, they told
storage.
the ad said it was 10 feet. So I bet you from like outside here to there, it's 10 feet. It's
Okay.
just.
So like 10 by 6.
It's 9 feet 8 inches inside.
Right.
Right now it's like propane tank. Let's see, propane. Whoops. But we're gonna change it to generators because we're a little bit scared of propane. Not gonna lie. But yeah, here's our food truck. So we're gonna like vlog our whole like process and experience of start to finish of having a food truck and not knowing what the heck we're doing. Right?
Yeah, and it's gonna be so fun.
Yeah. So you guys are gonna see all of our triumphs.
Our triumphs, our low points.
Yeah, struggles and killing each other.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, that's gonna happen. We might not vlog those.
I don't know. They might be funny to watch.
But yeah, so we're super excited and stay
tuned for this adventure.
Yes, because it's definitely gonna be an adventure. I think my phone is ringing.
And cut.
And cut.